The term oncology yoga might be new to you, but it has been in development for the past few decades, along with significant advancements in cancer research and treatments. These advancements have led to decreased death rates and increased cancer survivorship. These improvements have fundamentally reshaped the way we manage the disease and the impact it has on life, health, and well-being. At the same time, yoga's popularity has soared, and along with it, the research to understand how yoga has a positive physiological impact on the human body. Out of these evolutions, the concept and the practice of oncology yoga has emerged. This 5-hour continuing education course is the first step to providing safe and effective support for cancer patients and survivors. It is designed to deepen the understanding of physical, mental, and emotional challenges of cancer and demonstrate how specialized yoga can support the health of cancer patients and survivors, both in the short term and the long term. By the end of the course, you will be able to understand the impact of cancer treatments and their side effects on the individual's well-being and long-term survivorship. You will be able to identify ways that yoga, specifically oncology yoga, can be used to manage side effects and improve quality of life. You will learn why oncology yoga is recommended and how this higher standard of care is required. You will be aware of appropriate and inappropriate yoga practices, asanas, and language for cancer patients and survivors. You will be able to identify what is trauma-informed yoga for the cancer community. You will have experienced the yoga4cancer methodology and ultimately feel motivated to advocate for oncology yoga. This course has been carefully curated from the extensive 75-hour certificate program to ignite your curiosity. It is not designed to provide a comprehensive degree and does not replace the value of an oncology yoga certification. The course will provide some fundamentals on both cancer and yoga science, but to truly understand requires more time and focus. Plus, the research on oncology yoga is growing and evolving the discipline every day. So today is just the start.